Dear customer, many greetings to you. This is Yvette from Microcyber. Today I'm going to show you how we configure our pressure transmitter. Before the configuration, let's have a look what we prepared for the configuration. Here is a 24 voltage power supply, a pressure transmitter, a hot modem, a PC, and as you can see, we have already connected the pressure transmitter with our power supply. We connect the pressure transmitter by its negative pole and positive pole to the power supply. And please remember, before using the hot modem, you must connect a 250 ohms resistor in series in the hot loop. By using the hot modem's alligator clip with the resistor, and then connect with our PC by the USB interface. And then let's start the configuration. Please see the screen. We open the hot software. Settings, serial port. We select USB serial port. Let's start to search the device. Node 0. Okay, finished. We have found the device. By click the device tag, we can see all the information from this page. In the information tab, we can see the manufacturer, the type, the device ID, all the basic information of this pressure transmitter. In the configuration tab, we can see the output, the sensor info, the PV info, and the range settings. And then the current adjustment tab, we can fix the output of current. We can calibrate the output of current. And then the temperature calibration. And then the pressure calibration tab. There is also a special command. It involves the LCD display, local operation, small signal cut, etc. And the attached information, there are a sensor information, alarm current. Finally, let's have a look at the device scan results. In this tab, we can see the PV value. It is minus 2.76. And we can see the current. And now let's go back to the pressure transmitter to see the value. Okay, let's see from the LCD display, we can see the pressure value keeps the same with what we can see from the configuration page, right? I think the configuration is completed. And so, dear customer, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. See you next time.